Muhatikano munene wa arwaru ni umwe wa mathina maria magumeire thibitari ya Kenyatta na uguo kurituhia wira wa arigitani na manathi aria mari ku ihinda riri undu uria ungikorwo wacungiriria kuhingicithanio kwa arwaru eri na gucungiriria umwe guthinjwo ithenya ria uria ungi. Akiaria riria egwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi ugima wa mwiri uria urari murugamiriri munene thibitari-ini ino Lily Koros augite makoretwo makiamukira arwaru aingi makiria ukiringithania na namba ya aruti wira aria mari kuo.
Madam Chair, I would not shy away from saying that some of our nurse-patient ratio is really worrying. That in some of the wards we could be having one nurse attending to 20 or 22, 23, even sometimes up to 28.
Ona kuhanoro uguo munene wa ruhonge rwa wiguano mwega thibitari-ini no Dagitari Bernard Githae ni atetirithitie ati arwaru aya ni marorirwo na njira iria yagiriire mahinda kwa mahinda. Koros na Githae ni matariirie uria o mundu akuruhanirio na ndeto ino na oho gutariria makinya maria matacukirie ta arugamiriri thibitari-ini ino.
Wrote the incident report that there was a mix-up of the patients, so that they are the ones who volunteered that information that there was a mix-up of patients. Now, after that, the person who was in the office, because at that time I was out of town, Dr. Etau, informed me about it, and I asked him to investigate, and he did, and he gave me a report on the 20th of February that there was a mix-up on the patients.
My level is more of a strategy and also, of course, operation, but to some limit. And then when it goes now down to the specialized areas, then the experts, because when we talk of head of surgical services, has to be a surgeon by training, or if we are talking of medical services, has got to be a physician or someone who fits that level, so that they'll be able now to look at the nitty-gritties in terms of the operation of the hospital.
Hau Kafere, Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Cecily Kariuki ni egwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya Senate igi ugima wa mwiri niguo gutariria makiria ciigi githagathago giki.
The CEO and Dr. Githae were not suspended. They were not interdicted. They were not impeached.
Kamiti ino ya bunge igi ugima wa mwiri ni tanyitwo guthii na mbere na cikaro ciayo muthenya wa rucio kuria Minister Cecily Kariuki atanyitwo gugekinyia. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.